Welcome to eaSwipe Work. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to configure the date and time settings in your eaSwipe Work software. Let's begin. First, open the eaSwipe Work software on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see the dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find the side menu. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the option labeled Settings. A new menu will appear. From this menu, select the third option, App Settings. This is where we'll configure the date and time settings. Let's start with the date format. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred format, such as day, month, year, or month, day, year. Next, we'll set the time format. Click the drop-down menu and choose between the 12-hour or 24-hour clock, depending on your preference. Now let's adjust the default time zone. In the same section, you'll find a drop-down for selecting a time zone. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find your time zone. For example, let's change it to Dubai. Simply type Dubai in the search bar and select it. Once you've made your selections for date format, and time zone, your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. Your date and time settings in eaSwipe Work are now configured. Thank you for using eaSwipe Work, your all-in-one business solution. See you next time.